It's Lynn, your art friend. Lately this past week, I've been feeling kind of down artistically. It feels like no matter what I'm drawing or what I'm doing, it just doesn't look right, doesn't turn out right, and even worse, it doesn't do well with my audience on social media. Today, I'm going to do some indulgent, comforting art that I always seem to fall back to when I'm kind of feeling stuck artistically. It's nothing revolutionary. It's not going to be anything new. I'm not going to really practice a new skill. I'm not going to do an art study. I'm not going to do any of that stuff. I'm just going to make stuff that I love drawing. I love drawing cute, chubby critters with stars, lots of space, more stars, sparkles. Done. I know some people say to get out of an art block, trying new skills and exercising, and there's just tons of tips, which I can touch on another time. But honestly, have you just tried maybe drawing some stuff that is like your indulgent fallback? Like, you know what you're talking about, like when all the stuff maybe you scribble down and draw, but you don't post on social media. Like, I don't know, I'm just imagining a bunch of little cute cat faces and a bunch of little cute, just cute stuff. I don't know why, that's just my little indulgent thing I like to do. It doesn't really matter what you draw or what your little indulgent fallback is. It may not even be an art-related thing. It might be playing some games, maybe a little bit of Animal Crossing, or other stuff you hip young people are doing these days. But if you do decide to do some indulgent art, just keep in mind that the art is for you. It's for you to look at and say, you know what, it looks really good and I love it, and it makes me happy when I look at it. You want to lift yourself up. You don't want to tear yourself down with any of this stuff. It makes the situation worse. Make something that you want to see, that you like to look at. Later down the line, if you say, hey, this is a great post for social media, I forgot I did this, then yeah, go ahead. But maybe don't make it your first goal, because in the event that you do post this and it doesn't do well, then you're just taking something that should have brought you a little bit of peace and joy, and now it's kind of becoming a negative, because now maybe social media isn't really taking to it. You're not getting any recognition. No one tells you to say, hey, this looks really good and stuff. So that's why it's just really important, if you're going to do some comforting artwork for yourself, make sure it is for yourself first before you make it for somebody else. I just hope anyone who's going through some kind of little bit of art stress, a little bit of anxiety, I hope any other artists listening, if you're going through some troubling art period, that maybe you'll give this a try, in addition to other tips and tricks that is widely available. There's many different ways to get yourself out of something. You just need to find the way that works for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll tune in next time.